Hello lovely people, welcome to Akosia's tasty recipe. I hope you are all doing well. So for today's recipe, I will be making Italian style red sauce pasta. Did you get it? Italian style red sauce pasta. Very delicious. So stay tuned and let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is to cook the pasta. So I have 3 cups of boiling water. So I'm going to go ahead and add 2 cups of fusilli pasta and then add 1 teaspoon of salt, stir and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. So the next thing I'll be doing is the pasta sauce. So in a pan I added 1 tablespoon of oil and then 50 grams of cherry tomato. Saute it for about 2 minutes and then remove it and put it in a bowl and set it aside. So in the same pan I'll add 100 grams of chicken breast and then stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll add 100 grams of ground beef, stir everything together and then cover and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. So at this point the pasta is also ready, so I'm just going to go ahead and then strain the water and set it aside. So the protein has been cooking for about 5 minutes, so I'm going to put it in a bowl including the stock and then set it aside. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 50 grams of white diced onion, and then 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Stir fry for about 1 minute and then go ahead and add your protein. That's the ground beef and chicken. Mix everything together and then add 150 grams of tomato sauce. Go ahead and give it a quick mix and then cover and allow it to cook on medium heat for 15 minutes. Okay, so after 15 minutes, this is the sauce looking very beautiful. Go ahead and stir and then add your spices. So I will be adding 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and then 1 beef seasoning cube, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of thyme, half teaspoon of oregano, and then salt to taste. Mix everything together and then cover and allow it to cook on low heat for 10 minutes. Please feel free to add any spices of your choice. So after 10 minutes, this is the sauce and then it's thickened up and smells so good. Go ahead and add the sauteed cherry tomatoes, parsley and scallions. Mix everything together and then add the pasta. Give it a really good mix. Make sure the sauce is well mixed with the pasta and then cover and allow the sauce and the pasta to infuse and have all the flavors in this food. Okay, so just cover and give it like 5 minutes and then it's ready to be served. Okay, so after 5 minutes the food is ready. Yes, smells so good. So I'm just topping up with some extra parsley and then scallions and then it's ready to be served. Yes, I really loved this pasta. It smells so good and then less oil. Please take note, don't use too much oil in pasta because you wouldn't enjoy it because it will be too soggy. Okay, you can also use normal tomatoes if you don't have cherry tomatoes, that's fine. All right, so thank you for watching. If you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell icon so that whenever I upload you will be notified. Okay, so stay tuned for more recipes. God bless you all. I love you all. Take care of yourself. Bye.